Hi friends, welcome to Global Used Car Trading. Today I'm gonna introduce you 2015 Audi SQ5 3.0 TDI Quattro, the diesel model, 4-wheel drive. The total mileage of this car is 130,000 kilometers, and as you know, this car is very well made. Many people says this car is one of the top SUV in the world, with its durability, nice design, and good performance. The official fuel efficiency of this vehicle is 11.9 km per liter, but in the highway, it shows the better fuel efficiency around 16 km per liter. Let's check it out. This is how it looks from the front view. Nice and prominent Audi 4-rings logo over here. It says its product name SQ5. Nice headlamp. No scratches, very transparent. And on the part of the lower bumper, there's a fog lamp with LED as well. Rim and tire condition is very nice. There are minor scratches in the rim, but it's manageable. And panoramic sunroof and the roof rack. No scratches on the body. The rear tire and rim. Diesel engine. The rear view of the vehicle. Two dual exhausts, which add its sporty feeling. SQ5 mark over here, and its symbolic lizard sticker embedded. Rear camera and power trunk. Wide and spacious trunk room, and we can fold the rear seat back using this pulling bar like this. On the part of the trunk, very nice. Left side view, rim and tire condition, nice. Now, let's look inside the engine hood. Let's listen to the engine sounds. Very stable. No weird sound at all. No shock, no leakage of oil in any coolant. Now, let me step inside the car. Let me turn on and turn off the engine to check if there's any weird engine sounds when the engine is kicked in. Turn off. Turn on.
카드가 없습니다. 카드를 넣어주세요.
Very silent. Let me accelerate and deaccelerate of the vehicle. Accelerate. Great. Handling. So smooth. No interference at all. Nice. Locking system. Working great. Side mirror. Fine. Full electric window. Rear. And we have a panorama sunroof on this vehicle, so So let's get rid of the sunshade first. One touch, the white sunshade goes back. You see? Let's open the loop. Two, three. Close. And sunshade is moving forward. Great. And let's look inside the steering wheel and its buttons for remote controlling. So we can change mode using this button, mode. So now it's a telephone function. It says automatic connection is active. And Bluetooth connection, establishing Bluetooth connection. Please wait. All right. And we have a hands-free function using these buttons, information and the navigation and volume controller. And in the cluster, there is two circle analog cluster for the speedometer and the tachometers. And in the middle, there is digital clusters showing the total mileage and outside temperature and current gear position. All right. And we have a memory seat function over here. We're working fine. And the ventilated seat for the driver. 3, 2, 1. 3D part level. And power seat. I'm moving back and moving forward. And back. The tilting is working well. And the passenger seat in the front also has the ventilated seat with 3 different level controller. And power seat, back, forward, and tilting of the back working well. And window, great. And what we need to see here is it has Bang & Olufsen speakers all around this vehicle. And the previous owner has established head-up display from the after sales market. And we have a black box over here and the lightning working fine. The left small light is not working. It needs to be replaced. And right side working good. Sunshade working well. Great. Let's take a look at the center console. So now in the infotainment system, it is not touch screen. It is manually controlled using this jog dial and other physical buttons. So let's go to the navigation. All right, it works well. And the telephone, so it can be connected to your mobile device. And the radio.
싶어요. 지난주에 그 꼬꼬부만큼 반응이 굉장히
Working fine. And the media, it can be connected to your Bluetooth device. Good. And underneath the air vent, here is the CD player, Audi multimedia. And when we press the open button, there are two SD card slots, SD1 and SD2. And we can choose the driver select using this button, and other parking assistance is linked with this button. And fine, all buttons working well. And the climate control, so low, using this jog dial, you can control the temperature. High, so both heater and air cons working great. And heated seat, 3D level control, good. All climate control buttons working fine. And small storage space over here. Right, in the console box, in the glove box. Now let me move to the rear seat. The legroom is like this. I am 180 centimeters tall and I still have this amount of legroom. And the auto window working great. And there are two speakers are integrated into the rear door, Bang and Olufsen. Right side window working great. And seat condition is generally fine. I see no damage, no scratches, no tear. And the armrest with the embedded cup holder, great. And the air vent for the passenger. And there is a heated seat for the rear seat passengers, like the front seat. Great. And the lightning working good, both sides. And in the rear window, there is a black box camera over there. And even in the trunk space, there are Bang and Olufsen speakers are integrated here and here, right? And this is the view from the rear seat. Okay, friends, that was the introduction and review of 2015 Audi SQ5 3.0 TDI Quattro. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you in my next video post. Bye bye.